Popular British rapper and songwriter Stefflon has lambasted trolls who insisted that she has not gotten over her ex-boyfriend, Burna Boy. It will be recalled that the singers went their separate ways in 2020 after being in a relationship for 2.5 years. Stefflon in a recent tweet without a particular context, noted how her side of the story might change the mindset of many. Hearing my side of the story will change everything, she wrote. Trolls, however, flooded her page alluding that the tweet was about Burna Boy and how their relationship went south. One of the troll replies read,